Sun comes up on a two-lane street, coffee brewing, boots on concrete. Pick up dust on a Friday night, names carved deep in a water tower sky. Everybody knows everybody's story, good, bad, grace, and glory. If you blink, you'll miss it, but if you stay, it'll shape who you are. It ain't much to folks passing through, but it's home if you grew up true. This town was built on grain silos and church bells, hard work, handshakes, wishing each other well. Sunday morning, Monday sweat, faith and fields and no regrets. We don't have much, but we stand proud. Yeah, that's home, that's us, that's now. A town built on grain silos and church bells. Friday lights and a high school band, fourth quarter prayers and the bleachers stands. Old man talk about rain and yield, kids dream big from a baseball field. Time moves slow but the roots run deep, promises made are the ones we keep. Spoken, learn early out here, show up, work hard and mean what you say. You leave once but you always know there's a light when you come back home. This town was built on grain silos and church bells, calloused hands, dusty boots, stories to tell. Sunday morning, Monday sweat, faith and fields and no regrets. We don't have much, but we stand proud. Yeah, that's home, that's us, that's now. A town built on grain silos and church bells. Yeah, when the crops fail or the river's high, we lock arms, don't ask why. Same bells ring when we say goodbye. The same ground holds us till the end of time. Those bells, they rang when we were born, they rang when we were married, and someday they'll ring us home. Yeah, this town was built on grain silos and church bells, raised on hope and a little bit of help. From first breath to last farewell, every prayer we ever held. We don't need lights or city crowds, just this dirt, this faith, this sound. A town built on grain silos and church bells. Ain't famous, ain't perfect, but it's ours.